Did you know, right now, while you're watching this?
A carrot is quietly rebuilding your eyes from the inside? Did you know I'm fighting cancer cells growing silently in your body, and nobody ever told you? Did you know eating too many of me can turn your skin permanently orange? Did you know the way most Americans cook me destroys every single thing I do for you? Veg Fruity is going to reveal all the confusions regarding me. Because the truth about me is something your doctor never explained, your grocery store never warned you about, and most YouTube videos completely got wrong. Stay with me, because by the end of this, the way you look at a simple carrot will never be the same again.
I am Carrot. I was first grown over 5,000 years ago on the ancient Iranian
In the lands that are now Afghanistan and Iran, long before anyone called me a vegetable, Persian healers used me as medicine. Greek physicians in the 5th century BCE documented my healing powers.
Ancient Ayurvedic texts named me Garjara, a blood cleanser, a liver protector, an eye healer.
For 5,000 years, I have been silently protecting human bodies. And yet, most Americans throw me into a soup, boil me to death, or chew me as a mindless snack, without ever understanding what I actually do inside them. Today that changes. I am not just a vegetable, I am a 5,000-year-old medicine.
And I am finally going to tell you the truth about myself.
Here is the mistake that is costing you everything I have to offer. You cook me. Not just a little, you boil me, you roast me at high temperatures, you throw me into soups for 45 minutes. He talks about. My most powerful cancer-fighting compound, falcarinol, is completely destroyed by heat. A 2023 prospective study following over 55,000 people for 25 years, raw carrots showed a significant dose-dependent reduction in lung, pancreatic, and leukemia risk. Processed carrots? Zero effect. None. The study was that clear. Falcarinol only exists in raw meat. The moment serious heat touches me, it's gone. And it's not just falcarinol. My vitamin C, destroyed. My live enzymes, gone. The very compounds that patrol your bloodstream and protect your cells, wiped out by the boiling water you think is making me healthier. You thought cooking me was better. Science says otherwise, and I need you to know this because your life may depend on it. Now let me show you what I actually do when you eat me correctly. Follow me inside your body, because this is where my real story begins. Doctors charge thousands to fix your vision. I do it every night, for free. The moment you eat me raw, my beta-carotene enters your small intestine. It gets absorbed into your bloodstream and travels directly to your liver, where it converts into vitamin A. That vitamin A then moves to your eyes and forms rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment in your retinal cells that lets you see in low light. Studies show that people with higher carotene intake have up to a 43% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration, the leading cause of irreversible blindness in American adults. I am rebuilding your eyes right now, every single day. Right now, free radicals are attacking your blood cells. I'm already stopping them. My antioxidants, beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein, they enter your bloodstream and act like soldiers on patrol. They intercept free radicals before they can mutate your DNA or trigger inflammation. We enter your bloodstream and act like soldiers on patrol. We intercept free radicals before they can mutate your DNA or trigger inflammation. I have been in American kitchens for generations. I have watched families boil me, can me, process me into baby food, and blend me into juices, believing they were being healthy. And the whole time, the most powerful parts of me were being destroyed. That's not your fault. The food industry never told you that processing strips my falcarinol. The recipe culture never warned you that boiling eliminates my cancer-fighting compounds. I understand why you believe this. They were trying my sugars into a blood sugar spike. And that is exactly why I'm here today. So let me tell you exactly how to use me correctly. Because now that you know the truth, you deserve the full picture.
Rule 1. Eat me raw. 1 to 2 medium raw carrots per day. That is the sweet spot.
Raw. Raw preserves my falcarinol, my live enzymes, and my vitamin C completely. Rule 2. Eat me with a healthy fat. My beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs it far more efficiently when paired with olive oil, avocado, or a handful of nuts. A plain raw carrot is good. A raw carrot with olive oil is dramatically better. Rule 3. Do not peel me. My highest concentration of nutrients, including my bioactive compounds, sit just beneath my skin. Buy organic when possible. Scrub me, don't peel me. Rule 4. If you must cook me, steam me lightly. Under 5 minutes. Steaming slightly increases beta-carotene availability while preserving far more of my other compounds than boiling does. Rule 5. Eat me consistently. The cancer studies, the heart studies, the eye studies, they all show dose-dependent effects. This means the more consistently you eat me correctly, the stronger my protection becomes over time. 1 raw carrot a day with olive oil, unpeeled. That is my secret. And now it is yours. Here is something that should give you chills. 5,000 years ago, before PubMed, before clinical trials, before any modern laboratory existed, Ayurvedic healers in ancient India were already prescribing me for eye disorders, blood cleansing, liver protection, and cancer-like wasting diseases. They called me Garjara. They said I was a Deepana, a digestive fire awakener, a Hridaya, a heart protector. Ancient Persian medicine documented my hepatoprotective and anti-inflammatory properties in texts written over 1,000 years before modern science confirmed the same things. Your grandmother put carrots in everything. She didn't know the word falcarinol. She didn't know what carotenoids were. But somewhere deep in generations of human wisdom, she knew. Modern science didn't discover what I do. It just finally caught up to what ancient healers already knew. For every culture that trusted me, for every grandmother who put me in the pot, for every ancient healer who wrote my name in a scroll by candlelight. Now, because I respect you, I have to be honest about when I can become a problem. If you eat more than 4 to 5 medium carrots every single day for several weeks, you may develop a condition called carotenemia. Your skin, especially your palms, soles, and knees, will turn a visible orange-yellow color. It is not dangerous, it reverses when you reduce your intake, but it is real, and it happens. If you are pregnant, carrot seeds in medicinal doses have documented uterine stimulation properties and should be avoided. Now, if you take lithium-based medication, a significant interaction between carrot compounds and lithium has been documented. Speak with your doctor. I am medicine, and like all medicine, dose and context matter. You came to this video thinking I was just a vegetable. I hope you leave knowing I am something far older, far more powerful, far more loyal to your health than anything processed, packaged, or advertised has ever been. I rebuild your eyes while you sleep. I clean your blood while you rest. I fight cancer cells before they find their footing. I protect your heart, your liver, your immune system, quietly, consistently, every single day.
I have been doing this for 1,000 years. For every culture that trusted me. For every grandmother who put me in the pot.
For every ancient healer who wrote my name in a scroll by candlelight.
And I am still here, in your kitchen, waiting. 1 raw carrot a day. That is all I ask. The transformation is yours, now that you finally know the truth. Rule 3, do not peel me. My highest concentration of nutrients, including my bioactive compounds, sit just beneath my skin. Buy organic when possible. Scrub me, don't peel me.